Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. In the series of Docker, so now let's see how we can deploy a container using our custom image. So deploying container using our custom image, right? So in the last, video, you have seen that we have developed a Docker file and we have built a Docker file which generated a customized image. And if you list images now, so this is our customized image which is available now 31 minutes ago, correct? Fine. All right, so it is the one which we built. Now let's deploy a container using this particular customized image where we have our app deployed on top of nginx. That is, those instructions are encapsulated within this image, and we can create a container now which will be running our app. So let's see that. So what is the command? Let's see. So firstly, docker run for creating container -d -p -d for detach mode -p for port mapping, 80 is for server level port, 80 is for container level port, hyphen name flag for specifying name of the container, custom is our image name, customized image name, and v1 is our customized tag name. So let's deploy this. So docker run -d for detach -p for port, 80 colon 80 hyphen name my app, and our images custom colon v1 because this is our custom image now. Enter. So now what happens is we have our container up and running. See, if you see up from 2 seconds now, we should test this, right? We should be able to open this particular application on web, right? But the thing is it is exposed on 80, so we should go to our server, go to instances, our docker server. All right, go to security groups, pull down this, click on security groups. All right, pull down this, edit inbound rules. So we need to allow port 80 here, add rule. You can allow, you can keep custom TCP or HTTP, which also operates on 80. So either of it. So default we get 80 here, see, or else you can select custom TCP 80, and it's good to have HTTP or anything works the same. All right, that's fine. So select anywhere. Okay, and why this is this is HTTP now? Because it HTTP uses 80 by default. See, you can keep custom TCP also here, so then you can save the routes. All right, perfect. Now what we need to do, take this IP and give the IP on the browser with the port 80. So now what should happen is, guys, understand, just try to understand this. This is our image which have our application also embedded, right? So now if I browse this, our what happens is our container will be running nginx on which our app is already deployed. Those instructions we have drafted within a docker file, right? So we should be able to see our application now for sure. Let's try this. All right, this should not take, okay, it is HTTPS. No, just give HTTP and give colon 80. This is fine. Yeah, got it. Perfect. Yeah, if you see, this is our app now, Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. All right, I mean institute. Okay, great. So I want to show you one more thing, that let's change the code now. So we have that index.html file, right? Let's go there. Okay, okay, I have already changed. What you need to do is you can do this, right? You can keep both as h1. Maybe I have saved this. All right, okay, fine. So before it was h1 and h2, I have changed this to h1 and also h1 here. So both are you see, if you see, this is h1 header 1 as per HTML code, this is header 2. I mean the sizes varies. Now let me keep both as h1. So I kept both as h1, escape colon w. W enter. Perfect. Now we need to rebuild the image when the changes are implemented. How to rebuild? Again, give docker build hyphen t and custom. This is your image name, right? You can give v2 tag now. Space dot enter. See, it is built. Fine. Now let's create new container. Okay. What I can do is better we'll delete the old one. So we can keep that, but let us delete docker rm hyphen f. My app is the container name. Let's remove this and create a new container. This will be reflected with the latest updates. Now both will be at the same size now as per Shiva size. Even Perseverance Software Institute will be at the same size. Let's see that. So see, my app is removed. Now let's create the container. Docker run hyphen d detach mode hyphen p. We use the same port 8080 hyphen name for name flag. My app for my application. You can give anything. And now custom colon. This time it is v2. Okay. Before that, all right. Before that, give I have not executed that. Give docker images. See, now we have custom v2, right? So let's give the command again. Docker run hyphen d hyphen p server level port, right? Container level port hyphen name flag container name. Custom is the customized image name. V2 is the latest version. Now enter. So now this have created a container. Now if you give docker ps, see, we have the latest container on. Just refresh it, you will see the changes. See, you got it right. Fine guys, so this is how we need to deploy apps using docker file. All right, thanks guys, thank you so much for that.